everybody, welcome back to another brand new video. In previous video, we have shown two features of vexup.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your text messages into a video. Nowadays, it is very trending. People are loving this kind of cool videos. So if you want to make this through AI, vexup.com will be a great platform for it. So without wasting any more time, let's go to the computer screen and let me show you how you can convert your text messages, how you can generate your text messages as well and convert them into video. So without wasting any more time, let's go to the computer screen. So for this, we have to go to the vexup.com at first. So this is the website. We have to just log into this. If you don't have an account, you have to create an account by clicking join us. Here you can create an account by continuing with Google or just providing email or other password and stuff. So as we have already an account in this platform, we are just logging in by providing the email address and the password. We are clicking log in. So that is the dashboard. We have to click on create a video. So as you can see, you have four options here to make videos: text to video, MP3 to video, MP4 to video, and SMS video. You have already seen text to video and MP3 video, these two features. Now we are showing how to make videos through SMS. So click on create video from SMS messages and then click on go to step 2. So here we have to select the voice according to your requirements or according to your theme. You can choose any sorts of voices. There are many voices here.
The station was on alert as a mysterious signal from an unknown planet.
The station was on alert as a mysterious signal from an...
The station was on...
Then click go to step 3. You have to select two voices because it's obvious that for conversation you need two voices.
The station was on alert.
So let's choose this one.
The station was on alert as a mysterious signal from an unknown planet had just
and
been
then
detected.
click on go to step 4. So from this you have to select the background video. So let's select this one, number 9. So when the voice messages will be scrolling, then this video will be behind the text messages. Then you have to click on go to step 5. Now you can customize some of the things here. You can change the photo of the recipients and you can also change the name of the recipients. So let's name it Samantha and let's change the photo. Nice. It's simply looking like the WhatsApp messages. You can select the theme as well, like the dark theme or the white theme. So you have different options like this one, this one. So let's go with the first one. Everything is fine. Let's go and click to go to step 6. Now here you can do two things. You can either give a conversation yourself, you can generate through AI from other platforms, or you can write your own. But the cool thing is that this platform has their own AI process by which you can generate your conversation right here. So here is the option AI. Click to this and just you have to provide the prompt text here so that AI can generate a conversation for you. For example, let's write generate a romantic conversation which is a bit funny as well and make sure it's in English. So now let's click on start generation. So it will take a bit of time. We have to wait until it creates the conversation. So here is it. You can see that they already provided the conversation. If you are satisfied with this conversation, then just click on start generation again. Again, it will take a bit of time. We have to wait. Alright, the project is done. So as you can see, the video is ready. You will get the text as well at the left side. If you want, you can customize again. And there are other options like music, video, style, where you can customize everything. You can change the volume level, you can add your own audio, and you can select other audio as well from here. So let's go for the Come Live here. And for the video, you can change the video background again if you don't like the previous one. And you can also change the size of the conversational area. So there are style as well, which you can again change. So let's play the video.
Beautiful.
Starting strong. What's the occasion?
Thinking about how lucky I am to have you in my life.
Talker, huh? I like it. What else do you have up your sleeve?
Well, I might have a few more romantic.
How cool is that, right? If you are satisfied with the final video, then you have to click on export. It's taking a bit of time again. After a while it will be rendered and then it will be ready for downloading. As you can see, the editing is completed. Now it's ready for downloading. Here you can edit the title as well. New conversation. So then it's ready for downloading. So let's download the video into your PC. So let's play the video again.
Hey there, beautiful.
Wow, starting strong. What's the occasion?
Just thinking about how lucky I am to have you in my life.
Smooth talker, huh? I like it. What else do you have up your sleeve?
Well, I might have a few more romantic lines, but they come with a giggle.
I can't wait. Hit me with your best shot.
If you were a vegetable, you'd be a cute cumber.
Oh, wow. That's wonderful. What's next? A corny joke?
Only if you promise to laugh. How about this? Do you believe in love at first sight? Or should I walk by again?
So as you can see, we have converted our conversational text into a captivating, engaging video within just a short period of time. So it will be a great feature. You can try this on vexup.com. They have their subscription packages. You can check them out. That's all for today's video. I will share other features as well from vexup.com. Till then, stay safe, be happy. We will catch you in the next video.